to my channel. So for today's look, I did a very anti-Valentine's Day look, classic mauve pink tones, and as you will see throughout this tutorial, I had no idea what I was doing or how to do it. This is my first attempt at the like heart cut crease that has been trending. In this tutorial, you will see me use the Coastal Scents new revealed eyeshadow palette, and it is gorgeous, guys. I also did a little review on what I think about the eyeshadows. I definitely want to play around with it a little bit more because I only got to use, I think, like 3 shadows out of the palette. Huge shout out to Coastal Scents who did sponsor this video today. And this look was also inspired by a gorgeous love bug that I follow on Twitter. I will put her Twitter right here for you guys so you can see the look and also follow her if you want to. And without further ado, let's get started on this tutorial. I've already primed my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer. So now I'm gonna go in with my first shade, which is from the ColourPop Ooh La La palette. It has all these really cute pink shades in it, and I just think this is such a cute palette, especially for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna pick up a Soft Core, which is the middle shade in the first row. I'm gonna go in with this shade with a Morphe M518 brush. This is one of my favorite brushes from Morphe. I don't know why I wanted to do such a like anti-Valentine's Day look. I mean, I'm definitely not anti-Valentine's Day, but I just thought this would be so cute and I got so inspired. And now for the next shadow, I'm still going to be using the ColourPop palette. I'm going to go in with this shade called Poodle right here. And I'm just going to follow the same pattern that I did with Soft Core. And as you can tell, this is going to be a like mauve-y kind of tone. But I really like going in with pinks first because even though I do have a lot of like mauve shadows, I find that if you try to build mauve shadows on like other mauve shadows and like deepen it up, it turns it more into like purple and really dark, and I didn't really want it to be like purple. I wanted it to be the perfect mauve shade. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with Sandbar, which is also from the ColourPop palette. I'm just kind of focusing this mainly in the crease because this is where I want it to be the darkest. And then just going in with the blending brush and making sure everything is blended. Guys, I literally woke up at like 6 in the morning today. Nathan went to work and I could not go back to sleep, so I was like, I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, and now moving on, I'm gonna put down the ColourPop palette and pick up the new Coastal Scents Revealed palette. I'm so excited to show you guys this palette because they just launched it, so I'm gonna let you kind of see it. Isn't it so pretty? Perfect for Valentine's Day. Now this has all the like mauve purple toned shades that you want, followed with some like neutral colors right there. And I feel like it has such a good balance of shimmery colors and then matte colors. I'm going to be picking up Crave and Night Rush, and these are the 2 shades that I'm going to be using to kind of deepen up the crease. I want to bring all these shadows up pretty high because as you can see, I go really high for the heart. And I don't want to lose any shadows with the cut crease. It's so crazy because Coastal Scents and ColourPop are really like cheap, affordable brands. But I swear they have some of the best eyeshadows I've ever used. And I've used like expensive brands before, you know, and they're great. But I'm telling you, my heart is with the affordable brands because they really come and show out. They're like, we may be affordable, but we're good as fuck. Now it's time for the fun / hard part of this look. First, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm just gonna try to be really careful with this because I want this to come out good. Kind of stamp it like that because I do have hooded eyes. Definitely gonna want to keep this bottom part really thin like I did with this one, and just kind of take this like high, really high. And then for the little arches of the heart, I'm gonna go in with a really like small brush. So I finished this one, and this is about as heart-shaped as it's gonna get. This is actually a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, especially when I was doing this one. I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna get this heart to match this heart? But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. I can't stress myself out too much about it because it's bad for the baby. But anyways, let's move on. So I think now I'm going to do my eyebrow highlight really quickly on this eye. I'm going to pick up my Laura Mercier highlighter. How pretty is this? It looks kind of messy because I've been using it for a couple days because I've been obsessed with pink. But this is called Devotion. We're kind of learning with each other because this is literally my first attempt on doing this. So if it comes out crappy, give this video a thumbs up anyways, you know, because I'm trying, guys. Okay, so for the heart, I think I'm going to be using the ColourPop Race You Super Shock Shadow. How pretty is that? I'm thinking that'll look really nice right there. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so pretty. I'm wondering if I should like outline the heart, like a broken heart in black. Because at first I was going to do it with like glitter liner, but this has glitter in it, so I don't know how well that's going to show up to make it look like a broken heart. I went to go get the Too Faced white eyeliner in, what is this called? Pure White? Yes, that's what it's called. So pray for me, because I'm going to try to do this and not fuck it up. I wonder if I should outline it in black. Looking at it from far away, I can't tell if I hate it or if I like love it. Like I love it, but then I'm like, wait, do I? But then I'm like, yeah. And then I'm like, do I? And then I'm like, maybe. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I really can't tell whether I love it or I hate it, but it's here and it's here to stay. And we're gonna finish the look, because normally every time I think I hate my eyeshadow, by the time I'm done with like all my face makeup and everything, I end up loving it. So yeah, we're gonna move on. Okay, love bugs, we did it. So y'all literally just witnessed my thought process during every single makeup look I've ever done. I'm never sure on what I want to do, what shadows to use, what eyeliners to use until I'm using them. Like literally, I'm terrible at planning my looks because it never goes how I think it's gonna go. So just a reminder, I was using the Too Faced Pure White eyeliner and then the Benefit, what is this called? Roller liner in black, and this one's really, really good and really pigmented, so I really like this eyeliner. But now we are going to move on to the face. And by the way, I know the hearts don't look exactly alike, but you know what, whatever, they're broken anyways. So now I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and first I'm gonna use the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm to put under my eyes, and then I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer all over my face. And I'm gonna bring this down my neck too. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Natural Beige with a LA Girl Beauty Sponge. How crazy would it be if, because I'm pregnant and I do this makeup tutorial, if you like watched it and you did this makeup, like this exact makeup, and then you get pregnant on Valentine's Day? Oh my god, like if my video was like cursed and everybody who like did this makeup got pregnant. I have a crazy imagination. I really need to stop watching Criminal Minds and all these like crazy shows. That's some serious like American Horror Story shit. Or that should be like a Black Mirror episode. I love Black Mirror, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And then I just press in all of the powder. To contour my face, I'm going to pick up the Morphe palette in 8H, which looks like this. It's a bunch of like contouring shades and then highlights. And now for a blush, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier blush in Rose. It's so pretty. Look at this, guys. So pretty. Oh, you know what? Actually, I should have used a different brush. Should have used a more fluffier one, but whatever. Doesn't that look so pretty? It's just like the slightest hint of pink. So I'm going to finish up my eyebrows. I went in with the Benefit Gimme Brow, which is like a must for me. I love it. And then I top it off with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, which is my favorite brow gel. Before we get into the bottom eyeshadow and the mascara and all of that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face just because I have a lot of powders on already. I have basically my whole face done, so I want to hurry and set it. People always do this at the end, but I always do it like before I do my mascara, because then what if you spray your setting spray at the end and then your mascara gets wet and then it just ruins your look and it gets everywhere, and can't deal with that. So I do it before. I'm going to go back in with the Coastal Scents new Revealed palette, and I'm going to go back in with Crave and Night Rush, and maybe even deepen it up a little bit more with Standout. I'm not sure yet. These are such pretty colors. I just want to play with all of them. Guys, the shadows in this palette is like bomb. I swatched a couple of them before I started like playing with it, like before I started filming and all of that, and they're really, really good. But then again, you can't always depend on swatches, so I'm definitely gonna have to play around with this a lot more, especially since, hello, look at the palette. This is like screaming me. I feel like this is kind of like an affordable version of the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, but this one has way more shadows and it's way cheaper. So yeah, it's my little review on that. So I'm going in with Crave. Oh my god, do y'all know that is it like an EDM song? I'm not sure, but I used to like be obsessed over it. It's like, I walk into the room dripping in gold. You know, I don't know how the beat goes exactly, but it's somewhat like that. And it's like, crave you. Yeah, it goes like that. Love that song. I go in with Crave in my under eye. And I'm gonna fuck it up. And then with the same brush, I'm just gonna do Night Rush and then Standout probably near my lash line. Okay, love bugs, while I charged my camera a little bit, I did apply my lashes and I finished up this eye right here. For lashes, I went in with Storm from the Lash Label. It came in this cute little like lash container with like a bunch of other lashes. Love these, and these are so affordable, so I would definitely suggest you check these out if you haven't already. And then for my waterline today, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Roller Eye Brightening Pencil. Actually, before I do this, I am gonna apply my mascara first, and for mascara, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Perfusion Bigger, Blacker, and Badder. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add in some of that Laura Mercier Devotion highlight to the inner corner. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. So I'm going to go in with MAC Edge to Edge, and then I'm going to top it off with the lip gloss from Benefit. And this is their Punch Pop Gloss in Pink Berry. Okay, and then now for the gloss. Oh wow, perfect match. Oh my gosh. Oh, nose highlight. I almost got all excited. About to lose my mind. Okay, literally just the tip, because I didn't contour it, so I don't need a lot. Just the tip. Another thing that can get you pregnant. That completes this look, love bugs. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look and you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, love bugs.